Welcome guys to another tutorial from Classic Games United, right? And in today's tutorial we're going to do a tutorial on how to unlock all the DLC cars for BURNOUT Paradise the Ultimate Box. This is not the remastered version, this is the old classic version from 2008, and I'm going to show you all how to get all the DLC cars, including the toy cars and stuff, right? So all you have to do in this tutorial is just follow me. Follow my instructions. My English is not good, guys, but you might not understand me well, but just try to follow what I am doing and then everything should be easy, right? So with that being said, guys, let's get to the tutorial. Alright, and YouTube, this video is for educational purposes. This is an old game. I hope you devs will understand this game is no longer being sold, only the remastered version. So I'm just doing a tutorial to help those that want the DLC cars so they get the DLC cars. So guys, follow me and let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing that you all want to do, right, is open the game location and go to the config tool, right? Set up the configuration, right? Set up everything, make sure everything is set, and then you click save and quit. Now in order to unlock all the DLCs, right, you will have to start the game first and read these instructions, right? This is the instructions here for the DLC steps. And alright, so in order to do this you have to start the game first, and that should be simple. Just click on the exe and start the game. So I'll be back in the game once the game is started up. I'll be back, right? You'll have to start the game, so you will create these save files which you will need to put the DLC unlocker. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright guys, Classic Games United here. The game was not starting at all, so I had was to disable my webcam and go into the configuration settings. I will show you here. Hold on, because I realized when I start the game it was not opening, so I'll show you what to do. Go into the configuration tool, and if you have webcam, just change it to none. Alright, click save and exit, and then you will run the game in Windows XP Super Pack 2 like this. Okay, run the game as this, and you'll go into your device manager and you will see a webcam. Find your webcam. I already unplug my webcam. Find your webcam and disable it, and then restart your PC, and the game should be able to start up, right? So now we should be able to get into the tutorial now. So before you apply the DLC fix, you have to start the game up and get into the game, and to create some files for you, right? So I'll be back, right? I just want to show you something here, so you all know that this is real. This is my name Nosta, and you will see that same name in the game, right? So stay tuned and I'll be back. So this is the only car I have for now, guys. As you all see, this is the only car I have for now. This is just one car. So I will show you how to unlock all the cars, the toy cars and everything, right? So it's pretty much easy, right? And as you all see, this is my name here, Nosta, which I showed you a little while on my computer. This is the same name. This is the beginner's license. Alright, so I will show you how to unlock the car, right? And the first part that I showed you all, I have to mute that part because of the music, right? I don't want to get copyright strike, so I have to mute that part. So let's get into the tutorial, guys, and I'll show you how to unlock all the DLC cards, right? So I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the part now that will do all the magic to unlock all the DLCs, right? Now in the game, you'll just right click, go to file location, and you should see DLC locker here, right? Click on it and read me, right? You have to read this first. Here you get all that's needed to unlock the DLC cards for Burnout Paradise, the ultimate box, and you can choose between unlocking all existing car in the game or just the cars from the DLC, like the P12 Jansen. What you're gonna do is as I did myself, right? So step 1, find a folder where your save games are stored for Burnout Paradise. For me, in Windows 7 64-bits is like this, right? So you have to find this location. So let's go to that location now. Open up our next section. You could open up like any folder. Open up any folder that you have on the desktop. Go to local C, go to users, North Star. Alright, go to Upper Data, go to local, and you should see Criterion Games here, right? And this is what you will have to do, right? So as you see, I'll show you all. Alright, Paradise safe, right? But you may need to search a little somewhere else and paste the 100% completion game there. And don't forget to back up your save files in case of changing your mind, right? So you have to put the PSC1, the 0% completion save game there, right? So let's see, save game 0%. Okay, read here. Alright. So as you read the instructions here, guys, but you may need to search a little somewhere else and paste the 0 completion save game there, right? So they give, if it's a Steam version, you will just follow, right? So just follow here, and then if it's somewhere such a game is saved, you have to find that location, and then you will put the 0% completion save there, right? So let's get into it. So you will go here now, go to Burnout Paradise 0% unlock DLC. Alright, now you have the original and the patch, right? So hold on. Alright guys, just now. Alright, so this is the original here, right? And you have the patched. So you put the patched, right? Because you want all the DLCs, right? And you know, put it in the location where the save game is. Replace. Alright, copy and replace. It is patched. Alright. Step 2. Now you're gonna paste the other 2 folders where the game is installed again. To me, it's like this. Alright. So this is step 2. Right? Step 2. Back to the DLC unlocker. Alright, and this is the patch files here, right? Go to the DLC unlocker, Alright, DLC unlocker. Go to the patch files, copy these and place them where your game is, right? Follow me, guys. So your game is here. Alright, copy and replace. Right, almost there. Now here is where you decide if you want all cars or just a clean new game with only the DLC cars. To unlock every kind of game, place a save game patcher X where the save file is located. The running once as Attribution to make sure it works. Alright, so this part is a bit tricky, guys. Now go back to DLC, go to the DLC unlocker, go to the save game patcher. Alright, you don't need this. And where your game is, like this is the save game for me, you will place the DLC unlock patcher here. Place the DLC patcher here. Run it as administrator, right? Run it as administrator. Alright, start. Alright, patch 6 successfully. Alright, so now when you go back in the game now, you should see you have all the DLC cars. I wouldn't be able to talk, you wouldn't hear my voice in the game because I will mute that part because of the copyright music, right? So once I go back into the game, guys, you should see all the DLC cars and stuff, right? So let's get back into the game now. Alright, see you all back in the game. Alright, guys, this is the toy car here. As you see, all the DLCs unlocked, so you now get the toy cars and everything. So that this tutorial was very easy to understand, guys, but I didn't confuse you. Alright, so as you all see, this is the toy car that I choose. Everything is working well. So now you get all the DLCs in the game. You could choose whatever car you want and play. Alright, so guys, this is it for the tutorial. Very simple, very easy to understand. This is not hard, this is easy. So hope that you all enjoy this, and please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, guys, like and subscribe and share for more awesome tutorials, right? So I will see you all back to another tutorial another time. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna edit this video. And yeah, so thanks for watching once more, guys. And yeah, very simple tutorial, very simple instructions. Just follow everything that I do, and yeah, everything should work. Alright, so I'll see you all in the next video to come. Classic Games United signing out. Take care and bye.